Hi there. Today our package from Segway finally came in. This Segway Navimow, we were waiting for about 2 months already before we got it. It also seems that although we have bought this machine, we are also beta testers because we got a questionnaire from Segway which we had to fill out, and they decided then if we could be one of the first who used the Segway Navimow. So we scored good points apparently. Our garden is a fairly easy garden. We only have one tree. We have some bushes on the sides, but otherwise there's nothing special in our garden. So the Segway itself, why did we decide to buy that one? Actually very easy. We wanted a new version. So we used to have a Husqvarna which did a very good job, but it was old style. So you know, most of them have, or almost all of them have neat wires in the ground. But this one, according to Segway, of course, it does not need it anymore because it works through a satellite receiver. The satellite receiver makes connection with the mower itself and of course the satellite. So that makes a triangle, and triangulation takes care that the mower always knows where it is. So also the parameter has to be made by using the app. So we have to, let's say, drive this one as an RC car around our garden, and that will decide which borders it will know. So let's further go on with the real unboxing, so you know what's in the box, what you can expect. And in a future video I will show you the installation of the Navimow. So as I already stated, this one is the H500E Navimow. It's the smallest one of all the mowers. Shipping label stated it was about 26 kilo. So we're gonna see what's inside. So first of all, here we have something which we can put on the mower, so we can see how many centimeters we are from the border of the grass and the border itself. Inside we have a first box with these are the blades. Then this one is the EFLS Exact Fusion Locating System. So this is gonna be the receiver which has to be placed in the garden, I think. Another little screw. Some pins to attach the base plate, I think. Some other pins. Then I think this is the tripod which can be used to put it firmly in the ground, and probably the antenna will be fixed on top. And indeed, here we have two more, which will be the post for the antenna. Then we have some cable. This cable is probably just for the current. Here we have the transformer with an attachment for this cable. Here we have a card which gives the QR code where you can download the app for the Navimow for Google Play and in the App Store. Then we have this box, which does not contain anything, I think. No, this is just a spacer. Then we have the booklet of the Navimow, quick start guide, fairly thick, but I suppose these are different languages. And then I think we have this big boy. Which is the Segway itself. Look at that. I will talk about this one a little bit later because we still have one part in there. And that's the base station. So this plate is the base station or the home for the Segway. Attachments at the back for the current. I think also for the return wire. Here you can see, I think, an LED for charging. And this is the charging port. So if we take the Segway, which is fairly heavy, what strikes me first is that we have black off-road tires. In all the videos I have seen until now, they were orange. This also is not aluminum color anymore. This is just gray. On the bigger models, we have the option here to have extra kind of set of eyes, which are sensors which can see obstacles, but the base version does not have it. The Navimow goes in like this, and then maybe you can zoom in. It slides over there and it starts charging. On the underside, we have big front wheels which rotate very easily, so I think it should navigate very easily. This is a spinning disc with the blades already on it. I have read that this one adjusts automatically, so you can choose between 30 or 60 millimeters, and that is adjusted by the app. These are the big off-road tires. Here is the battery, and I don't think there's much more to see here, so I'll turn it around. We have a big start button here, and then we have so the start button. This is the play button, so I think this will be for start mowing, on off switch, and a home button. So if you press this, it will go back to the base station and start charging. So this is what's inside. I hope this gave you an idea of what's in the box, and please watch my next video so you can see the installation of the Segway. Thank you very much. Bye.